Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the pose so proportions hold through every step. Draw a light oval for the head, a larger oval for the belly, and a smaller one for the pelvis. This establishes balance. Once done, add a center line on the head to position facial features, and sketch simple flipper and leg lines to capture action. Make sure to use loose, confident strokes. This prevents overworking details later and keeps the silhouette readable before refining. Now refine features and merge penguin anatomy with Uzui styling. Redraw the beak and eye so they sit on the head centerline, then add the signature mask or headband, keeping decorations bold and readable from a distance. Once those are placed, thicken flippers into believable wings and indicate feather clumps. This adds texture. Make sure to articulate clothing folds and accessory overlaps so the design reads as layered. This clarifies how costume elements sit on the body. Finish by inking and shading for clarity and impact. Trace your final lines with varied weight. Use thicker strokes on the outer silhouette and thinner strokes for facial details, then erase construction marks. Once done, add simple shading under flippers and around accessories to ground forms, and place bright highlights on the eye and any shiny decorations. If proportions feel off, step back, compare to your initial block, and adjust line weight or shading to correct visual imbalance. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.